How do you start conversations with owners of properties to get in the door? Guys, I'm Tim Diesel. I'm a commercial real estate consultant. And today I'm going to be talking to you about some tips that I think will be helpful, how you can grow your business slowly. So let's say you're a rookie novice investor and you want to get started, but you don't know how to do it. So there's a couple of times, and I'll share a quick story with you, where maybe I've gone to a sandwich shop with a few friends, and this has happened multiple times, but I'll give you one. We went to Subway. It was three of us. Went to Subway. We're all getting our sandwiches, and we're in a retail plaza. There's about 6 or 7, maybe, I think it was 7 bays. And after everyone gets their meal, we're sitting outside. So we're sitting outside, we're looking at the spaces, and I kid you not, there's a vacant space, vacant retail space, probably 1,000 square feet in this retail strip center, a couple doors down. And I was talking to one of my friends that was there, and I said, that's pretty good. You can make a lot of money off that deal. And he said, what are you talking about? It's a lease, 1,000 square feet. How much could they possibly get for it? I said, yeah, but the real money is getting a relationship with the owner and eventually turning that small little lease into the sale of the building, rolling those profits, making a bigger deal. So that actually ended up happening. My friend that I was with, he ended up talking to that owner, because if you're leasing a space and there's 6 or 7 bays, that phone number is the owner's phone number. It is not a property manager most of the time. There's not enough money. And I've mentioned this before. If you call that person, you're going to get the owner, and you're going to be able to make some kind of a connection there. If you are a real estate active licensed salesperson, it's a little different of a conversation. If you don't have a license, it's also, you're coming from a different angle. It's not one is good or bad. You just have to figure out which path you want to take. But building that relationship, that conversation could go a long way, because you don't know what the plans are of the landlord. So the easiest way to start a conversation is call and say, hey, what are you looking for? What are you looking for in this space? What type of user would fit here? Who was here before? And I'd probably say 9 out of 10 times, no, let's scratch that. Every single time they will talk to you. They will tell you what they want in there, what's ideal for them, who has come to them, why it has worked or why it hasn't worked with the people in the past. They're open to having a conversation. They want to lease that space. And it's tough for them to do that, because most of the time, all they know is LoopNet and putting a phone number. That's their marketing expertise. An owner that owns a property and wants to lease it. They're not out there talking to other wholesalers, realtors, business owners looking for more space. They're not going to be as active as they should be. So by you helping them, that is a really, really powerful relationship starter. Just asking what they're looking for and what they want. Now, a couple things here. Depends also what you're looking for. Because if you're a realtor, if you're a licensed salesperson, wherever you are in whatever state, yeah, that could be great for you. You're getting a lease listing. Maybe you have someone. That's a different thing altogether. Now, what if you're an investor? If you're an investor and you're looking at that vacant space, that's an opportunity there to make an offer, possibly, right? Because you obviously know the landlord is not collecting rent on that space, and that hurts the value of the property. Now, right now, at this given time, the market that we're in, you're going to see all these other commercial broker outfits. They're going to try to sell something for way more than what it's worth. Pay them no mind. Forget that. Wait for the real deals. Do not pay for value that is not there. I don't care if you can capture it in a year. Do not pay for anything unless it's there. There is no, oh, the rents can be this or we can do this. Most of the time, if that was the case, the person would have done it already. They wouldn't be selling it to you. Most people are not as nice as you think they are. They don't want to just give value away. They wouldn't do that. They're going to try to squeeze every single dollar. So be very careful when you hear value upsides and all that other stuff. But the biggest thing I want you to get out of this is call them and have a conversation. And it's so easy, but just asking, what are your plans? What are you looking for? Anything like that will really start it. It'll really open up a lot of doors conversational doors that you didn't know was there. And try that this week. What I really want to challenge you to do is if you see a sign, if you're somewhere, if you see a retail, even if it's a small little office building, it doesn't have to be a retail building, call and just kind of get your feet wet. Say, hey, what are you looking for? How can I help you find it? Whatever it is. Maybe they want to sell. Maybe they want something else. So it could be a very good start for you guys. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions on it, definitely let me know. Thank you.